I don't know if you've seen my previous video or not, but what I had to do was change out my daughter's coolant reservoir on her BMW. It's a 2006 530i. So once I change the coolant out, you have to burp the system, get the air out of the radiator. And this is her car right here. But what I'm gonna do is open up the hood, and I'm gonna take the cap off here, off the reservoir. This right here is the coolant reservoir. This is what I changed out on my previous video. It's real easy to do. But it had a little air pressure, not much, but you want to do this while the vehicle is cool. Okay, now what you want to do is get inside your vehicle and you want to activate the electronic water pump. First you put the key in and push the button without mashing the brakes. So you just want to turn it on, but you don't want to start the vehicle. And you want to turn your airflow to minimum, and you want to increase your temperature to max. Make sure both of them is increased to max, and turn the AC off so you're actually running the heater. So now we want to activate the electronic water pump. You push in on the gas pedal for about 12 to 15 seconds. Hold it down for about 12 to 15 seconds. And what this is doing is activating the electronic water pump. Okay, once that's done, you can go under your hood, and I'm gonna show you what's happening. As you can see, you probably hear the little burping sound. What it's doing is getting the air out the system, and then it'll flow for about 20 seconds continuously like this. And this happened about it repeated the process about 5 times. So I'm gonna let you hear the sound it's making when it's bleeding the air out or burping the air out. Okay, that's the sound it made. So like I said, it repeated this process for about 5 times. So it'll burp for like 3 to 4 times, and then it'll run continuously for about 20 seconds. And once it done that, it burped about 2-3 times, and then the water continued to flow for about 5 minutes non-stop. So I actually just stopped it after a while, after 5 minutes, because I guess all the air is out the system. It stopped burping. So once this ran for about 5 minutes, I put the cap back on, and I went inside my vehicle, or my daughter's vehicle, and I started it. And I let it run for about maybe 5 minutes to charge the battery back up, or to let everything go through the system. But that's all to it. And if this video was of help, click the like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also look in the description and purchase different things like the coolant reservoir and other things on my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and watch some of my other videos. Thank you and have a great day.